Are you tired of dash cams that can't capture clear footage at night? Or maybe you want more than just a front-facing camera? The REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K 3-channel dash cam promises to cover all your bases. Let's dive in and see if it really delivers on its promises. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down automotive tech to make your decisions easier. Today, we're reviewing the REDTIGER F17 Elite dash cam, which boasts impressive specs like dual STARVIS 2 sensors, 4K HDR video, full-color night vision, and a suite of high-tech features aimed at improving your road safety and parking security. The F17 Elite offers a comprehensive solution with a front, rear, and cabin-facing camera, all recording in ultra-high-definition resolutions. The front camera captures 4K footage, the rear offers an upgraded 2.5K, and the cabin camera records in 1080p. The STARVIS 2 sensors work in tandem with HDR to ensure clear visuals, even in low-light conditions. What's more impressive? It offers full-color night vision, which sets it apart from competitors that rely on black and white footage after dark. This dash cam is packed with additional features, including 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 for fast downloads and real-time viewing, GPS integration for route and speed tracking, and even voice control for hands-free convenience. And with a pre-installed 128GB memory card, it ensures you're capturing everything right out of the box. Let's get into the key features. The first standout feature is the full-color night vision. REDTIGER claims that its dual STARVIS 2 sensors deliver vibrant and detailed footage even in low light. While many other dash cams struggle to show clear visuals at night, especially for critical details like license plates, this camera captures full-color, high-clarity footage. This is ideal for parking protection, where incidents like break-ins, vandalism, or hit-and-runs often occur in the dark. Next, the dual-channel and cabin-facing recording is a huge bonus. The ability to record both the front and interior of the vehicle offers added protection, whether you're driving or parked. The cabin camera is also perfect for rideshare drivers, ensuring there's clear video evidence of your interactions with passengers, and that helping to protect both parties. For tech enthusiasts, the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 and GPS integration adds real-time convenience. You can sync your footage with the REDTIGER Cam app, enabling fast download speeds, easy access to video playback, and real-time viewing. The GPS feature adds valuable data to your recordings, tracking your speed, location, and route. This can come in handy if you need proof of your travels or if there's a dispute about your route. Loop recording with the 128GB card ensures you're never missing footage. The G sensor detects collisions and automatically locks critical video files to prevent overwriting. Plus, with support for up to 512GB of storage, you're covered for long road trips or daily commutes. Now, let's talk pros and cons. Pros: full-color night vision is a game-changer for low-light environments. The 3-channel recording, front, rear, and cabin, gives you comprehensive coverage of your vehicle. Wi-Fi 6 and GPS integration adds convenience and peace of mind, especially for road trips or evidence collection. Loop recording with 128GB card means you're capturing every moment, and the G sensor locks crucial video in case of a collision. Cons: the installation may be a bit tricky for beginners, especially if you want to take full advantage of all the mounting and adjustment options. Hardwiring is required for the full-color parking protection, which may be an added cost and effort for those not familiar with car electronics. In terms of value for money, the F17 Elite packs a lot of features for its price. You get 3 cameras, full-color night vision, Wi-Fi, GPS, and a sizable memory card. It's a solid choice if you need all-around coverage for your vehicle, but it may be overkill for those just looking for a simple front-facing dash cam. When comparing it to alternatives like the Nextbase 622GW, the REDTIGER offers more channels and full-color night vision, which is great for comprehensive security. However, the Nextbase might offer easier installation and a more user-friendly interface. If you don't need the rear and cabin cameras, the Nextbase is a simpler option, though the F17's features give you more protection overall. Is this review helping you decide on the right dash cam? If you're ready to add next-level security to your ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. The build quality of the REDTIGER F17 Elite is solid, with a supercapacitor providing extra durability to withstand both heat and cold. While there's no extensive long-term reliability data yet, the presence of an 18-month warranty shows that REDTIGER is confident in its product's durability. With 24/7 customer support, you're backed up if you need help. Now, who's this product for? The REDTIGER F17 Elite is perfect for those who want total protection for their vehicle. Whether you're a commuter, a rideshare driver, or someone who wants to ensure their car is covered 24/7. It might be overkill for casual drivers who don't need cabin recording or advanced features. So, what's the final verdict? Strong option if you value comprehensive coverage, full-color night vision, and advanced tech like Wi-Fi and GPS. This is one of the stronger choices in its class. If you're after a simpler dashcam or don't need the interior or rear cameras, there are other models that may better suit your needs. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab the REDTIGER F17 Elite or explore other options, you'll find the links in the comments and description. Feel free to ask any questions below or share your thoughts if you already own this product. Until next time, stay automated and drive safe.